Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to convert Google Forms to PDF. First, you need to go to your Google form, and after that, navigate to responses right over here. Here you need to choose how you would like to print the responses. Now within the summary, you will find pie charts, graphs, and other options. Next, within the question section, I can filter all the questions. After that, in the individual here, you can see how much each person filled out the form. If you're looking for a summary, simply navigate to the summary section, then click on the three dots at the top right corner. Now click on the print option, and here you will find summary of all the responses. Now click on the save button at the bottom right corner, and then click on save in this window. Here, you can see it's saved on my laptop. Now, if you want to print the responses question by question, you can do so. All you need to do is to right-click on the screen, and after that, click on the print option. Now, we have obtained the responses categorized by a question, and again, keep the printer as save as PDF. Then simply click on the save button at the bottom. So another option is to print the responses individually. Here you have the choice to print either all of the responses or just a specific one. After that, click on the print button. Here I can view how the first individual completed the form. After that, go to your files and click on the downloads option on the left side. Here you can see your documents. To view them, just click on the ones that you want to open. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.